December 28th, 1908. The bustling city of Messina, Sicily, slept unaware until the earth roared, unleashing one of Europe's deadliest disasters. At 5:20 a.m., a 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck, followed by a monstrous tsunami. In minutes, Messina and Reggio Calabria were rubble. Over 80,000 lives were lost. Homes, churches, entire families, gone. Survivors wandered a wasteland, but their resilience shone through. The world rallied to rebuild, forever changed. The Messina earthquake scarred history, teaching us the Earth's power and humanity's strength. Its echoes still shape how we prepare today.